Hello students, in our last class we studied present tense and its kinds. So today we will study uses of simple present tense where simple present tense is used. So let us start. Uses of simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express a habitual action. What is mean by habitual action? Means the work you do every day or talk about things in general or that are happening all the time. That work you do in routine or that happenings which done all the time. For example, I go to school daily. He plays golf on Saturdays. So the next fact is to express universal and general truths, scientific and geographical facts. We use simple present tense. So all these facts are we will clear with these examples. The first one is the earth pulls things towards its center. This continue every time. So there is present tense, simple present tense. The second one is lime, which is sour to taste, has a lot of vitamin C. Then water freeze at 0 degrees Celsius. This is also truth. And our last example is people now use mobile phones more than landline telephones. This is general fact. So all these were about universal, general truths, scientific and geographical facts. Next, we use simple present tense to indicate natural qualities and professional activities. Natural qualities and professional activities. The example is fruits and vegetables contain a lot of minerals and vitamins. The chef cooks different types of delicious cuisines every day. Both are the example of natural and professional activities. They are clearing this. Next one is to make a request or give an advice or a command in imperative sentences. For example, we should discuss this issue with our teacher. You look exhausted. Why do not you take a break? These are imperative sentences. So in imperative sentences, we use simple present tense. The next point is to write headlines for newspapers reports. Headlines of newspapers reports are also written in present tense, simple present tense. Example, India defeat Australia by 5 wickets. So this was all about the uses of simple present tense. In our next class, we will study about present continuous tense and its uses. Thank you.